Morning. We just had a prayer, so I'm not going to ask you to get up again. And what I will, of course, do, as I always do, is to give you gifts and prizes. Today is America's Independence Day. It's tomorrow. In India, we always start celebrations one day before. But today is Guru Purnima. Thank God you didn't say tomorrow. May I request all the sadhu sadhvis who are here to please stand up for a second. If there are any scholars over here, would you please stand up? All scholars over here, please stand up. Please rise for a second. Dr. Bipin Doshi is there, my teacher. Of course, we have Sadhvijis. Anybody else? Any other gurus? Any teachers? Can I request all of you to please turn that side? Just turn that side. Can I ask you all to please now join your hands and take the blessings on Guru Purnima? Now you can release your hands and give them a round of applause as a mark of your respect for the presence over here and for the knowledge they share with us. Thank you very much, all of you. I dedicate this session to all my gurus, my teachers, who have made me capable to come and present my content on stages such as these. I have this gift in my hand. It's a very beautiful gift. For those of you who already got one from me, it's about Samyak Darshan, Gyan and Charitra. So this gift can be yours. All you need to do is to stand up and then join your hands and look around people and say Jai Jinendra to as many people as you can. And remember how many people you did wish. And then the one who gets the maximum number of people whom they can wish in 30 seconds gets the prize. Stand up! Do it now! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, pause. 15 more seconds to go. This time when you do it, make sure that you look into the person's eyes at least for 2 seconds. Connect and feel the difference. Do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Stop. How many people did you meet? Give me the numbers. 29. Who said that? Liar. Like Superman, Hanuman, what were you to do that in 30 seconds? 29 people. Okay, fine. Give me the names. Okay, genuinely, tell me how many people. Genuinely. 10, 20. Are you sure? 20. All right, the two of you come forward. 2 of you, 20 each, come forward. Sir, please come forward, sir. You take the gift, give it to the ladies, sir. Sit down, please. Thank you very much. And you don't even know. And you don't even know that as you were doing this, I was actually impacting your genes. I did. You didn't even know. But the fact that there is a smile on your face, the fact that you're feeling good, is the proof that something positive happened over here. And if I could do all of that without you even knowing, that's incredible. That means I deserve a bigger round of applause and welcome me like you mean it in America. Come on. Yeah, make that noise. Enjoy yourselves. Those of you who were here for the previous session on Purusharth, raise your hands up. Great, awesome. Hands down. Those of you not there, raise your hands up. Or just stand up. For those who are not there, stand up, please. Hurry up. For those who are not there, who've come here today, those who were here, now that you and I know each other, let's welcome our guests. Come on, put your hands together for them. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. Anybody who's below 30 years of age, stand up quick. Below 30 years of age, stand up quick. That this is the reason why I always love to come to America. Unfortunately, I only get 10 or 20 of them. My question to everybody is, why don't you get me exposed to the youth of America someday? Hopefully that will happen as well. But all of you here, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Here we go now, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for me to unleash to you this module, this concept called genes and health. And how do we do this? A lot of us perhaps even don't understand the fact that there is something called as genes or DNA. And if you have heard these words, we don't even know how they function, leave alone how that really has a correlation with Jainism. If we can bring that about in about 55 minutes, that I think will be a good achievement today. I'm going to use science, psychology, and spirituality as a medium of speaking. For those of you who know, whenever I come to America to present my content, I take 3 to 6 months of research. This year I picked up a course in quantum healing to understand how consciousness can actually help us to heal. I'm still doing the course, I haven't completed, but I've worked with some of the world's best thinkers in this field already. And of course, Deepak Chopra, who is not here today with us, but I really love him. I think he does some great work. So if this video reaches out to him ever, I've actually taken a lot of inspiration from his book, Super Genes, worth reading. So genes, DNA, and chromosomes. I'm going to spend about 5-10 minutes to actually do this for you. I was up by 12:30 last night. I couldn't sleep beyond that, and I've been working just to kind of figure out how I bring this content out to you in the most palatable format. So from 12:30 to 6:30, the content was ready, but I was just trying to refine it in a manner that it comes to you in a way that you can kind of understand it easy. So I picked up this video. The credits are given to the person who's made it, and then I'll explain to you what this is. ये आगे वाला जो वीडियो है आपको ये समझाएगा कि हमारे बॉडी के अंदर क्या होता है. हमने जैन धर्म के प्रवचनों में सुना होगा कि आप जो हो जैसे हो, कलर, बाल, आंखें, वो बिकॉज आपके कर्मों के कारण है. सुना होगा ना? किन किन लोगों ने ये बात सुनी है? हाथ ऊपर करिए. इसकी साइंस समझा रहा हूँ. आराम से करेंगे 5-10 मिनट ताकि आपके दिमाग में बैठे. How many of you understood the video like end to end? Raise your hands up. Nice. And for those of you who didn't, let's make an attempt. तो बेसिकली हम ये कर रहे हैं कि ये आप हो, और आप बनते कैसे हो? आपके माँ बाप के जो DNA है, जीन्स है, आपके शरीर में आते हैं. Any doctors over here? Raise your hands up. Okay, quite a few of them. So I just hope that I live up to your expectations. Not qualified to be a doctor. I said that last time. I'm not a doctor, not a psychologist, not a psychotherapist, just a student of Jainism. And I had a choice to even pick up subjects like these or not. And I asked myself, if somebody doesn't do it now, then when? Because all of our youth is just not around. They're everywhere else but where Jain forums are. So my attempt is to see if I can bring them back using these mediums. If I do go wrong, the Mahavir Swami has said so beautiful. Towards the end, I shall say Michhami Dukram. I'll say beginning itself Michhami Dukram. But I'll make an attempt for sure, okay? So basically these are our cells, okay? And the cells could be different for your hair, your skin, that's what it says. How does a cell really function? So there's membrane, there's cytoplasm, which is the liquid part, and there's a nucleus in between. अगर ये आपको confuse कर रहा है या heavy लग रहा है, तो उसका उद्देश्य यही है कि ऐसा लगना चाहिए. That's the real purpose why I'm doing this, okay? And I'll tell you why. Then उसके बीच में जो है उसको क्रोमोसोम्स कहते हैं. ये जो क्रोमोसोम्स है ऐसे 23 टाइप्स के होते हैं. सब एक प्रकार के होते हैं. लास्ट वाला जो होता है वो X और Y वाला होता है. ठीक है? अब ये X वाला Y वाला जो होता है आपके सामने में ये दिखा रहा हूँ. इसका खेल क्या है? What does it really do? Is that जब एक लड़की पैदा होती है तो XX क्रोमोसोम कॉम्बिनेशन में बनती है. लड़का बनता है तो XY क्रोमोसोम में बनता है. समझ में आया? नहीं आया तो जोर से बोलना हाँ. आपके लिए प्रोग्राम कर रहा हूं. अब ये जो क्रोमोसोम्स के भीतर हम जाए तो डीएनए कुछ निकलता है. डीएनए को कहते हैं डीऑक्सीराइबो न्यूक्लिक एसिड. ये पूरा खेल खेलता है हमारे शरीर के साथ, आपकी बीमारियों के साथ वगैरह. वो कैसे हम देखते हैं. तो आप एक सीढ़ी जैसे चीज को ले लो और ये बीच में लाल 4 कलर है. वो जो 4 कलर है ये क्या है, ये क्या प्रतीक करते हैं? इसको जब अगर आप रबर को लेके छोड़ देंगे तो रबर हमेशा ऐसे ट्विस्ट होता है, वैसे ये ट्विस्ट होता है. और ये ट्विस्ट होता है तो हम इसको डबल हीलिक्स कहते हैं. अभी डबल हीलिक्स करता क्या है? हर डबल हीलिक्स के बीच में आप देखेंगे 4 कलर है. दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? हाँ, ये 4 कलर को हम क्या कहते हैं? इनको 4 बेसिस कहते हैं. इसको हम कहते हैं एडिनाइन, थाइमाइन, ग्यूनाइन एंड साइटोसाइन. ATGC. जोर से बोलिए. अब सब लोग जोर से ABCDEF तक Z तक बोलिए. शुरू करिए. AB. Wow. This is neuroplasticity at its best. मतलब क्या जबरदस्त सीखा है आपने. But what if I tell you this, that it actually means nothing to your life? What really means to your life is only these 4 letters, ATGC. If you understand ATGC, you can get your health back, you can live longer, you can be more happy, you can have better relationships, everything because of this. Now repeat ATGC. Say. Now say 3-4 times. ATGC is the key. This is it. If we understand ATGC, and it has a certain formation, and that is creating a DNA, and if I want to move anything in your body, I need to focus on that change to happen there. How? Let's understand, when I bring in that strand of combinations of 4 bases and I take one piece, that is where my gene is. Now that gene, which is already existing in your body, is driving your life. That's what's driving your life. Now you want to change something, science said you can't. You have already been cursed with these or blessed with these DNAs, and you shall remain like this forever till you die. This was about 30 years ago. Yani ki your destiny is already proven. This is it. But Jainism does not say that. I spoke about Panch Samanvay in the previous session, and destiny was number 3. But uske baad tak Karman Purusharth, and which is why I love Karman Purusharth. Once you understand Karman Purusharth, this becomes easy. Once you understand this, your Shraddha towards Karman Purusharth will go even more higher. So what do? We need to understand, ये जो पीछे वाला है, इसके अंदर जो आप डबल हेलिक्स देख रहे हैं, उसके अंदर जो कलर्स है, वो कलर्स के अल्फाबेट्स जो है, मैं यहाँ दिखा रहा हूँ, तो ये कलर के अल्फाबेट्स TT, GT, AG, तो ये आपका एक जीन हो गया. इसको अगर हमने बदल दिया, तो you can change your life. And ये जो आपके जीन्स है, ये ब्लू कलर का प्रोटीन क्रिएट करता है. And this protein creation is the only reason, is the only fuel that keeps you going. Now the order of the bases creates these proteins. And how many such proteins do we have in our body? 100,000. Thoda sa heavy subject. Give me 10 minutes, then I'll simplify it like crazy. I mean, you're going to have fun. 5-10 minutes. So the summary so far is, now remember this is enough for you, okay? Our genes create proteins. That's what I left the previous slide. Our proteins create the cells. Our cells are creating tissues, and the tissues create your organs, and the organs are actually determining whether you're going to be a man or an animal. जैन धर्म के अंदर ना जाने कितनी बार कितने अच्छे शास्त्रों के अंदर ये कहा गया है कि you decide whether you're going to be a human being or an animal, an ant or an elephant. But this is how it's happening. So they say, fine, I'm a man and I'm done. This is it. This is really who I am. Now nothing's going to happen to me. But Mahavir Prabhu said, तुम आत्मा से परमात्मा बन सकते हो. That one statement, तुम आत्मा से परमात्मा बन सकते हो, actually signifies that you have the potential of transformation in you. That is what Mahavir's one sentence means. And why do we doubt that statement? Simply because we don't have enough knowledge or the science to prove. And when the science proves, we say, oh, Mahavir was right. He was a great scientist. Okay, so be it. So the summary is the person is all about his cells. Cells goes into chromosomes, chromosomes, DNA, DNA to genes, genes into proteins. Proteins is really what's doing to you, what it's doing to you. Science khatam. A point ye hai कि Rahul, if this is my destiny, then am I done? So science said yes. New science says no. That is genes, but there is something above genes. And we call it epigenetics, epigenes. Epigenetic, epi ka matlab above. Atma, Paramatma, genes, epigenes. Wow. But what it also said is that we're looking at a study of change in organisms caused by modification of gene expression. Remember, gene expression is what I'm talking about, not alteration of the gene code itself, which is happening today, and I do not know where the world is going to go with that. You and I are already suffering because of some experiments with food. God knows what happens when it happens with men and women, but I think it's going to be 200-500 years before that can happen, and I'll tell you why too. So how do you modify? So ये epigenetics का जो पूरा concept था 30 साल पहले जब शुरू हुआ, they only wanted to know, can something happen different in two people who are born together, twins? So twins have the same DNA, so they should have the same diseases, they should have the same lifestyle. तो एक twin एक बंदे को ले लिया, उसको हमने कश्मीर में लेके चले गए जहाँ पर बहुत वायलेंस है. एक बंदे को हमने ले लिया, उसको हम इगतपुरी लेके चले जहाँ पर विपश्यना का सेंटर है. वो 40 साल वहाँ रहता है, ये 40 साल यहाँ रहता है. But when you look at the lives, they are different. which means to say the environment in which they lived and the environment in which they lived, you know what I mean? The environment in which they live determines that there is a change taking place in the body. That's it. Now, if you've understood so much, इसका सारांश क्या है? राहुल बहुत सिंपल से समझाओ यार, ऐसी भाषा में जो व्याख्यान में समझा दे, इतनी सिंपल. इसका मतलब ये है कि आदमी आत्मा से परमात्मा बन सकता है. बाकी की साइंस समझो या ना समझो, डजंट रियली मैटर, बट मैंने आपको प्रूव करके दिखा दिया है. अब समझना है तो समझो. जैसे आपका मोबाइल फोन कैसे चलता है, नंबर घुमाओ मोबाइल चालू. मगर जिंदगी भर तक मुझे जानना है कि मोबाइल के अंदर कंपोनेंट क्या है, आईसी कैसे काम करती है, फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे काम करती है, करते रहो, मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? या तो मोबाइल यूज करो, जिंदगी को स्वस्थ बनाओ, अच्छी बनाओ, यूजफुल बनाओ, या फिर मोबाइल के रिसर्च में घुस जाओ और जिंदगी के ऐसे पल गुजार दो. जस्ट लाइक दैट, Jainism, ladies and gentlemen, you can understand through just samarpan, and you can learn through gyan, or you can learn through chintan, or you can just keep discussing and belittling your own religion simply because you don't know enough, and you say, what is this kitchen religion? Oh yeah, I'm going to prove to every single person who's ever used that word in your life that your perception about that will change forever, and that's my commitment to you. And I will prove to you in today's session. It is not a kitchen session. It is not a kitchen religion. We have made it a conversation of kitchen. This is the religion on which biggest scientists of the world are researching today. How is this possible? I'm going to prove all that and more, ladies and gentlemen. We are now talking that epigenetics has transformed the way we think about genomes. Of course, yes, Mahavir said that. But when Time magazine says it, we love it. When Time magazine says, oh, your DNA is not your destiny, you can change it through epigenetics. We say, kuch acha hai. 8-page article is available. Read it if you want to. Myth number one about DNA. Myth number one. Genes are like hardware in the computer. They will not change. That's a myth. Genes hardware जैसे है वो change नहीं होंगे. नई स्टोरी ये कहती है कि जीन्स सॉफ्टवेयर जैसे है, फ्लेक्सिबल है, चेंज होते हैं. सेकंड मिथ, स्ट्रेस जो है इनएविटेबल है, आता ही रहेगा. नो, यू कैन ओवरकम स्ट्रेस, यू कैन हैंडल एंड मैनेज स्ट्रेस. थर्ड मिथ, our genes will decide how long we're going to live. ये हिंदी में कहता हूँ, हमारे जीन डिसाइड करेंगे हम कितनी साल तक जिएंगे. वाओ, new myth, new fact that no. I'll read this and I'll explain to you about Jainism. We actually have a great deal of influence over our telomeres and can influence our life expectancy to a significant degree. इसका मतलब क्या समझाऊं? सिंपल में, प्रवचन में सुना होगा, एक इंसान की आयुष सालों में नहीं श्वासोश्वास में होती है. सुना है? हाँ या ना? ये इसका प्रूफ. एक इंसान कि लाइफ की ड्यूरेशन उसके सांसोश्वास में, जितना अच्छा आप जिएंगे उतना लंबा आप जिएंगे. This is Mahavir. This is today's science. Come on, let's clap and celebrate for where we come from. Influence of our genes will take many years, and in my previous session I've debunked that theory, and I've told you that it is not many years, it is just 50 to 60 days, maybe up to 256 days, and now they say 10 to 12 weeks and you can change the way you live. And that's what yesterday's talk of Lalit Kapoor sir was also saying the same thing. He says, I have proof of 110,000 people on whom he's experimented, and they have seen that the diseases have gone. With this, ladies and gentlemen, last slide of science. If you really want numbers, here are the numbers for you. ये जो मैंने आपको दिखाया ना वो डबल हीलिक्स वाला पैर, कितने हैं आपके शरीर में? 3.2 बिलियन आपके शरीर में. प्रोटीन्स कितने हैं? 1 लाख. और अगर मैं आपके एक डीएनए में से उसका थ्रेड निकालूं तो वो बनेगा 6 मीटर का. पूरे डीएनए में के पूरे डीएनए को निकाल के उसके जितने भी थ्रेड्स हैं उसको जोड़ दूं तो वो बनेगा 6.7 बिलियन माइल्स. यानी कि आप 1.5 लाख बार यहां से मून यानी कि चांद और चांद से नीचे आ सको, उतना लंबा डीएनए आपके शरीर में है. डॉक्टर्स, if I'm making sense, please just put your hands up, and a thumbs up will say that I'm doing a good job. Okay, thank you. Now, but look at this man, Mahavir. He was such an amazing human being. कितने कृपालु थे, कितने करुणादय थे. उनको लगा ये बेचारे मनुष्य इस जीवन में आएंगे, 100-150 साल जीने वाले हैं. इनको अगर किसी ने एपिजेनेटिक्स जीन समझाया, पूरी जिंदगी इसमें चली जाएगी, तो इनको हम ऐसा ज्ञान नहीं देते हैं. महावीर प्रभु ने बोला, ये सब तुम छोड़ो यार. तुम सिर्फ भाव प्रधान धर्म में चले जाओ, भाव से धर्म को मान लो. दैट्स महावीर. Oh yeah, I love it. Now, last time I said Shraman Dharam. Shraman Dharam मतलब पुरुषार्थ वाला धर्म. Now I'm using another connotation. इसको हम कहते हैं भाव प्रधान धर्म. Means emotion first religion. लेशिया का जो मेरा स्पीच था उसमें मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था कि लेशिया emotions is the only one layer between the physicality and the spirituality. So one aspect that comes in, one layer that comes in between you and your consciousness is of emotion. That's what Mahavir was talking about. Profound. You must watch that video again. Now we're going to start the game from here. From here, I'm going to show you how to really make this happen. Possible that you can leave this place by maximizing your human potential the Jain way. That's my commitment. 34 minutes to go. So what Mahavir did is Mahavir said, Bhav Pradhan Dharam. But Indrabhuti said, I have a question. Kim Tattvam? शुरुआत वहां से हुई. एक क्वेश्चन पूछा और स्टूडेंट भी ऐसा मिला कि क्वेश्चन के ऊपर क्वेश्चन के ऊपर क्वेश्चन के ऊपर क्वेश्चन, 36,000 प्रश्न पूछ लिए. महावीर प्रभु ने हर प्रश्न का उत्तर दिया. मगर पार्श्वनाथ के टाइम में ऐसा नहीं था, आदिनाथ के टाइम में ऐसा नहीं था. वहां पर क्या था? श्रद्धा थी. तो श्रद्धा से मान जाते थे और सिर्फ just looking, not even hearing, just looking, you can pass information exactly like the way it was. वो मनुष्य का डीएनए का प्रभाव था. यहाँ पर तो सब वीक हो गया. महावीर प्रभु को पता चला तो महावीर said, let me give the answers so that they can be documented and people get the answers. That's what Mahavir did, and that's what Jainat does. Every single year we get you here so you can ask your questions, get your doubts clarified, and therefore we grow and get you into Jainism stronger and better. Huh? वही प्रश्न मुझे भी आते थे जब मेरी शादी हुई मेरे एक धर्मपत्नी के साथ. एक धर्मपत्नी सबकी उतनी होती है, मगर वो धर्मपत्नी थी. शादी हुई, वो हर क्रिया के ऊपर क्रिया, ये करो, सामायिक करो, प्रतिक्रमण करो, चैत्यवन करो. स्टार्टिंग में तो हनीमून पीरियड था, मैंने भी थोड़ा सीख लिया उसके साथ, बैठ गया, थोड़ा सामायिक कर ली, ये कर ली. उसके बाद बाहर जाओ तो वो नॉन जैन खाना मंगाती है, वो जैन मंगाती है, मैं नॉन जैन. अब इनिशियली 6 महीने अच्छा लगता है कि यू कैन ईट व्हाट यू वांट टू ईट, आई ईट व्हाट आई वांट टू ईट. उसके 8वें महीने के बाद जब बिल आता तो लगता है कि व्हाट द हेल इज गोइंग ऑन. तो आई सेड खाना खा. तो मैंने आज भी याद है वो ग्रीन कलर का पनीर आता है, क्या बोलते उसको, पालक पनीर लेकर उसके मुंह में मैंने ढूसा एंड शी क्राइड. व्हेन शी क्राइड आई सेड ओके मेरी माँ मतलब मेरी वाइफ, तू घर में खाना जैन दे चलेगा, बाहर तेरे साथ जाऊंगा तो जैन खाऊंगा. धीरे धीरे जैन खाना आ गया. फिर हम लोग एक मलेशिया गए थे तो वहाँ पर उसका सूटकेस खुल गया और उसके पीरियड से उसने हाथ ही नहीं लगाया. अब मैं उसके साथ झगड़ा कर रहा हूँ. गुस्से से मैंने गुरुजी को फ़ोन किया. गुरुजी ने बोला आप बैंगलोर आओ, बात करेंगे. बैंगलोर गया. आई वांटेड टू लर्न जैनिज्म सो आई कैन प्रूव टू हर दैट शी इज रॉन्ग. And I just kept doing that every single time to prove to her that she was wrong. And I wanted the gyan so that I can really go ahead and debunk her shraddha. And every time I got defeated, I felt like Bazigar. Naya seekhte. And that's really how my story of Jainism started. Just like the way Indrabhuti started, but slightly in a different connotation. उनके सामने प्रभु थे, मेरे सामने देवी माँ थी, मतलब धर्मपत्नी थी. So how do you really practice Jain principles and shape your genes and health? That's why you're here. Now look at this. I got a new research for you. Epigenetics is the science of the ways your daily activities. Okay. Can somebody read the second line from together, all of us? From what you, say it loudly. From what you, how you, and therefore and also your meditation. How do you? What is the first one? How do you? Say loudly. How do you? Then we had Lalit Kapoor yesterday. What did he say? How should you eat? Then we had one more person, an amazing guy who gets 5 million viewers. What's his name? Who spoke pra? वो थे ना कल. Jamna Das ji. What does he speak about? What should you? Oh yeah. What do you eat? Doctor says अच्छा लगता है. What do you eat? Science अच्छा लगता है. Mahavir says what do you eat? Christian religion. What? I mean, like, what are you talking? पूछते हो महावीर को, उनको ही डाउट करते हो. मगर ये लोग बोलते हैं तो बोलता है हाँ इट्स नॉट बैड आइडिया, एनीवे आई हैव डायबिटीज, साला जा नहीं रहा है, सब कुछ कर लिया, ये भी कोशिश कर लेते हैं. मतलब जैनिज्म ही तो कोशिश कर रहे हो आखिर में, तो पहले ही करो ना, प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. A stitch in time saves 9. अब ताली इतनी छोटी क्यों बजा रहे, जोर से बजाइए. So let me ask you, if you want a better life, what should you change first? Give me the answer. I didn't know I'm so impactful that everybody says, we'll learn how to eat. No, Baba. That was not my intention. That was not my intention. Otherwise, you will run away. One more man talking about what to eat. If you want a better life, what should you change first? Work on your genes. Change your genes. मैंने इंडिया में प्रोग्राम किया, ऐसे ही गई ना, वैसे कोई आदमी चल के चला गया बाहर. ऐसा क्या हुआ? सर नहीं सर, मैं जीन्स पहन के आता हूँ. वो वाला जीन्स नहीं, okay? The jeans inside. How do you change? Ask me how. Oh, come on, everybody, ask me how. Very simple. You have a switch. Switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. जो चाहिए वो कर सकते हैं. मतलब you can decide whether now at this moment you really want to clap for me and everybody else, or you want to sit quiet. Decide. See, you switched on. The power to switch on and switch off. क्या शास्त्रों में बात की है, कहाँ ये तत्व मिलता है. Sorry, I'll tell you how. I'll tell you how. So, multidimensional technology to influence your genes. I am presenting to you for the first time in America and the world. Multidimensional technology, take it away. A few kriyas that can start this technology: fasting, meditation, forgiveness, compassion. I can speak more, but that's all I have time for today. That's technology. No. That's our philosophy. That's our principle. That's our practice. Practice है? नहीं, practice नहीं है. तो सब मिला के साथ में. नहीं, ये सिर्फ practice ही है. Okay, let's see whether it works. When you work on these, your thoughts change. Your thoughts change, your emotions change, your emotions change, your behavior change, your genes change. Everybody repeat these 4 words with me. Thoughts leads to emotions, leads to behaviors, leads to. Can we do it together, everybody, really loud? Thoughts leads to emotions, emotions leads to behavior, behaviors leads to. Okay. Now, what are we talking about? Fasting, meditation, forgiveness, compassion. है क्या चीज? क्रिया है, I know. But है क्या? It's a process to develop self-discipline. It's a process to develop self-control. And without self-control, you cannot achieve anything in your materialistic life, leave alone the spiritual life. पुरुषार्थ करना है बार बार लगातार. You need discipline, you need self-control. These kriyas, they have their scientific advantages. Yeah, of course, I understand. That's all right. But hey, their scientific advantages are important. Beyond that, it's building you up from within to develop great, strong, amazing self-control and self-discipline, which becomes the root cause for your spiritual success. Now, all the research, all the Nobel Prizes that you're speaking about are talking about what happens in the human body. Nobody's talking about what happens in the metaphysical world. That's Jainism. Celebrate. Come on. Celebrate. Clap like you mean it. But you say, Rahul, proof chahiye. Of course, proof bataunga na. Karke dikhayenge. Proof. How many of you guys want proof? Raise your hands up. I know, sab proof ke liye to aaye. Okay. Proof. 3 ways to work on your emotions. Express it. You're angry, express it. You're sad, express it. One form of psychology speaks of that. Any psychiatrists, psychologists over here? You know what I'm talking about, right? So express it. And when you have conversations, you're able to lighten yourself up, so on and so forth. We're going to talk about this with examples. Second, suppress it. There's one philosophy, one whole area of psychology said, don't express, just keep it within you and you'll be fine. But the third one is release. And Jainism talks about release. Release. How do you release? Leisha talk, I gave some examples, today some more. Release. How do you release? How do you release? Mahavir did nothing but just this. He just did this. But how did he release? What did he release? You need to understand the world of sensations, world of vibrations to be able to get there, to understand what to release. That's when Samyak Darshan begins. And then you see Samyak Darshan के बाद हमको कौन से कर्म जो है, what's the technical word, जब कर्म के निर्जरा, yeah. So निर्जरा क्या करनी है? That's release. वो कैसे करते हैं? We'll see some of that today. Sorry. So this is what I spoke about in the Lesia program. Now I'll tell you where to pick this up from, okay? I'll tell you where to pick this up. Don't look at the slide, look at me. Look at me. You're in the universe, in America, in Florida, in your body there are muscles, in your body there are nerves, in your body there is blood, in your body there are vibrations, and boom, when I come here, starts there. Now there's a field of Lesia, and then there's a field of Adhyavasai, then there is karma, and then there is soul. Okay? Let me come to this place. This is emotions, and this is Adhyavasai. Lesia, emotions, Adhyavasai, emotions. Pranam Dilip bhai. Good to see you, ma'am. ये है emotions. ना मुझे एक emotion आया, गुस्सा. Okay, you're with me? So उसका genes के ऊपर impact होने वाला, yes or no? Say loudly. Yes. And therefore your health is going to get messed up, yes or no? Yes. Got it. So I don't want my health to get bad. I don't want to mess up my genes. I want my emotions to be in control. But where do I practice control? Fasting, meditation, forgiveness. What does it teach me? Self-control and self-discipline. And therefore when I have this, I create the energy to do what? To convert anger into forgiveness. How? Is it possible? Yeah, it is. I go to Adhyavasai. What's Adhyavasai? It's the home of emotions. It's the home of emotions where every emotion exists with a dynamic balance of opposites. Every emotion exists in the dynamic balance of opposites. So here is anger, here is forgiveness, and they're sitting together. Situation has taken place outside, and therefore I'm getting angry. And therefore every modern tool is teaching you how to deal with this. Mahavir doesn't say how to deal with this. Mahavir says, learn to understand this. Now what is this? Karma. Now आपके पुण्य या पाप के जो कर्म उदय में आए हैं, उसके कारण उसकी एनर्जी इस इमोशन में जाएगा. अगर पाप का आया है तो यहां से क्रोध बाहर निकलेगा, क्रोध एक्सप्रेस होगा तो जीन खराब होगा, जीन खराब होगा तो हेल्थ खराब होगी. क्वेश्चन, ये शरीर तो नश्वर शरीर तो क्या है? भंगुर है, क्षण भंगुर है. इसके ऊपर क्या मोह नहीं रखना है. ये साधन है, ये साधन नहीं तो वो उस कर्म की निर्जरा कैसे करेंगे? Therefore इसका ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. तो बात ये कर्मों वाली है, यहां सोल है. ये सोल के काम करने के लिए अध्यवसाय, कर्म का काम करने के लिए अध्यवसाय, अध्यवसाय से हम लेशा में, लेशा से एक्शन में. ये एक्शन को चेंज करनी है तो यहां आओ. यहां पर मैंने एक लाइन बना ली. एक लाइन फास्टिंग की, एक लाइन कंपैशन की, एक लाइन फॉरगिवनेस की, एक और लाइन जो भी आप चाहते हो, मेडिटेशन. इससे आपका सेल्फ कंट्रोल, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन बढ़ता है. इसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, इसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं. अध्यवसाय से एनर्जी को शिफ्ट करें तो होगा क्या? क्रोध के बदले क्षमा की तो क्षमा के कारण वहां इंप्रूवमेंट तो आप जानते हैं, राइट? बट क्षमा के कारण ये जो नए कर्म आ सकते थे वो फीके होने शुरू हुए. उसके कारण आत्मा का प्रोग्रेस हुआ. बस इतनी तालियां. It's a tough subject, but yes, I'm going to simplify this like crazy for you. तो हम यहाँ चलते हैं वापस. एंगर. तो ये एंगर आया, राइट? अब साइंस की बात करते हैं. This is easy one. ये गुस्सा आया, स्ट्रेस हुआ. स्ट्रेस कितना होना चाहिए? मेरे सामने अगर पुराने ज़माने में हम जंगल में रहते थे, सामने अगर शेर आ जाए तो स्ट्रेस आने से हमारी जो हलचल है बढ़ जाती है, सांस भारी हो जाती है, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन स्ट्रांग हो जाता है, शरीर में ताकत आती है और हम भागते हैं. फाइट और फ्लाइट, नो प्रॉब्लम. शरीर की पूरी एनर्जी यहां लगती है टू गेट रिजल्ट्स. मगर आपका स्ट्रेस क्या है? आजकल मैं, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था, आई वर्क विद फैमिलीज एज द कोच फॉर 12 months, helping them integrate 2 generations, 3 generations together, solve the business issues, personal issues and all of that. जब मैं फैमिलीज के साथ काम करता हूं तो स्ट्रेस क्या दिखता है? हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में रिश्ता स्ट्रांग नहीं है, स्ट्रेस. बच्चे माँ बाप के नहीं सुनते हैं, स्ट्रेस. खाने पीने में इश्यूज है, स्ट्रेस. बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड है नॉन जेन के साथ, स्ट्रेस. बिजनेस काम नहीं कर रहा बराबर, स्ट्रेस. So you're living in 24-hour stress. When you're living in 24-hour stress, you have any idea what you're doing to your poor genes? You're switching them off and off and off and off and off and off and off, and you're falling ill. And then one guy comes and says, तुम फास्ट करो भाई. ठीक है प्रभु. क्यों? सब कुछ कर लिया, कुछ नहीं हुआ, इसलिए आप क्या? वहां पर महावीर कहते हैं, just you don't even have to get into this place because you have the highway, you have the path, just walk for it. You do not have to put yourself in trouble. Why do you want to fall in the ditch when you can see that there's a ditch in front of you? But no, you're an intellectual human being. You want to experience karo? So now my stress is bothering me. Stress, Leisha, emotion, I'm back here. So, for the doctors who want to know, we're talking about HPA, which is your axis. 3 things: hypothalamus, pituitary gland, adrenaline gland. All 3 get messed up. What happens from there? Cortisol gets released or adrenaline gets released. जब ये 2 chemical release होते हैं, ये acid है, ये जहर है, वो आपके genes को मारते हैं. Okay? So what do? कल ललित कपूर के स्पीच में उन्होंने ये कहा, heart disease, blood pressure, high blood sugar, digestive problems, nerve problems, anxiety, depression, headache. This is your major cause. Right now, 90% of people in America are suffering from this. Cancer is a new thing. I'm not talking about that. I'm not going to talk about that today. So, what do you do with your thoughts? 13 minutes to go and I have so much of content to present. So now I want to show you how your brain functions. How do you release, Jainism release? Let's get into that. Close your eyes. Lokesh Muni ji, pranam. आपका स्वागत है. यहाँ जाइए आगे. गुरु जी के लिए जगह बनाइए. Close your eyes, everybody, and let's see. I'm going to take you into your world and see how I'm going to go into 4 layers of your world now. Forget that, guys. All of you focus here. Eyes closed. With your eyes open, you can never do what I'm asking you to do. Eyes, आंखें बंद करिए. I want you now to experience a situation जहां पर आपकी किसी ने insult की, आपको नीचा दिखाया, आपको कहा, भला बुरा कहा, आपको कहा कि तू गलत है, तू ऐसा है, तू वैसी है, 4 चीजें सुनाई. I want you to visualize that situation. कितने साल पहले की बात है, कौन था, क्या हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था, क्या कपड़े पहने थे आपने, क्या कपड़े पहने थे उन्होंने, कैसी आवाज थी. Just visualize all that. उनकी आवाज को सुनिए. आवाज में कितनी कठोरता थी, कितना जोर से बोल रहे थे. जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूं, आपके शरीर में एक हलचल हो रही होगी. You must be feeling heavy in one part of your body, chest, stomach, heart, maybe shoulder. जहां पर भी आपको ये feeling हो रही है, वहां पर अपना right hand लगाइए right now. Keep your right hand there. Okay, हाथ छोड़ दीजिए, आंखें खोलिए, look at me. Did you feel heavy? Yes or no? Say it loudly, yes or no? Yes. Good. Close your eyes again. Just before you close your eyes, open your eyes. Give me your phone number backwards. All of you, give me your phone numbers backwards, fast. 729. जोर से. Yeah, this is an experiment. Your brain has to work that way. Close your eyes again. Close your eyes again. अब अपनी आंखों को बंद करके, I want you to visualize a situation where a friend of yours was in pain or trouble or in need, and you got to know this, and you went and helped that person without any expectation back in return. आपने उस दोस्त की मदद की, उसको help किया, उसको support किया, उसको guide किया. I want you to visualize those moments of how you help this person. Visualize this person is very happy now, looks up at you, smiles and says, "Dost, thank you very much. तूने help कर दिया. This is amazing." I want you to visualize that moment. I want you to feel that emotion in your body now. As you feel that emotion in your body now, you must be feeling light. If yes, open your eyes and say yes. Yes. Whoa. इतने साल पुरानी बात, बट अभी भी उसका इम्पैक्ट आपके शरीर में है, विच मीन्स जस्ट अ थॉट इम्पैक्ट्स योर जीन. You with me so far? Yes. Good. I'm going to take you deeper in. Next, I'm going to show you another quick little. Okay, so what really I did in your brain just now? आपके brain के साथ मैंने क्या किया? I took you into the beta wave. Beta wave यानी कि आप मुझे सुन रहे हो और कोई बाहर से आके बोले, ए आग लग गई. You're tensed. Brain goes into beta wave. कोई मर गया तो high form of beta wave. मगर आप मुझे सुन रहे हो अल्फा वेव, आराम से सुन रहे हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. गुड अल्फा वेव यानी कि ये कॉफी गरम गरम गरम, ये कॉफी ठंडी ठंडी ठंडी. मेडिटेशन किया तो थीटा वेव, और रात को नींद अच्छी आई तो डेल्टा वेव. ये 4 वेव्स. मैंने आपके वेव्स को थोड़ा सा चेंज किया. वी कैन डू डीपर वर्क, आज समय नहीं है. समझ में आई बात? ब्रेन से अंदर जाते हैं. अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि आपके शरीर के अंदर क्या होता है. लेट मी गेट अ वॉलंटियर. द लेडी देयर, मैम, यू इन पिंक. यस, जस्ट क्विकली रन अप टू मी फास्ट. जल्दी भाग के आइए ना. आपके पति को डोंट वरी, वहीं रखेंगे, कहीं नहीं जाएंगे वो. मैम इस स्पीड में आएंगे तो मेरा 40 सेकंड्स निकल जाएगा. जल्दी आइए, कम फास्ट. Now I've shown you how to work on your genes using Jainism's concept. Okay, I've explained to you all of those. But जब हम कुछ करना शुरू करते हैं तो उसका हमारे मसल्स पे क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है? What's your name, ma'am? नाम क्या है? बीनल. बीनल जी, वहाँ देखिए. एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करूँगा, आपको हाथ लगाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी, चलेगा? ओके, हाथ ऐसे करिए. यस, अपने हाथ, अपने आंखों को बंद करिए. जो मैं कहता हूँ मैं अपने दिमाग में कहिए, I'm a strong woman, मैं काबिल हूँ, I'm amazing, I'm really, really confident, I can struggle through life and yet come out victorious, I'm amazing, I love myself, I'm really, really good, I am happy with myself. Keep your hands just like that, open your eyes. Keep your hands like that. I'm going to try to push your hands down. Your job is to keep it up, okay? Niche jaane mat dena, okay? Ready? Push it up, come on, come on! Brilliant. Close your eyes, hands down. Close your eyes. Bring your hands up. Now, I want you to tell yourself, I'm a horrible person. मुझसे छोटा काम भी नहीं होता है. ना जाने कैसी हूँ मैं. कुछ भी हाथ में लेती हूँ, सब खराब करती हूँ. मेरी जिंदगी खराब है. सब कुछ खराब है. I hate my life. I don't know what's going on. Why am I alive? I want to kill myself. I just hate myself. आँख खोलिए. I'll try to do the same thing. Put your hand down, okay? Resist as much as you can. What's happening? क्या हुआ? Where's the mic? I lost 5 more seconds. They give me only 60 minutes for this session, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, when you first...
Is this mic working? Yeah.
When you first told the encouraged words, it really made me feel very strong.
Yeah.
And my energy level went up.
Yeah.
And when you just try to push it down, I was able to resist.
Yes.
And when you just, in the second experiment, my mind really just felt stressed out. And when you try to...
Because the genes were getting switched off.
Yeah.
Right, so there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We were talking about how does this impact of this emotion really work on you, starting from where? Starting from your brain. So I took you into the brain, made you think of heavy and heart kind of experiences. From the mind, I took you to the body. And you could actually feel that the impact is not just felt on the mind, but it's also felt on the body. The hands were losing its energy. From here, if I have to go into the body, what will I find next? The blood. So now let's show you the impact of what happens in the blood with your thoughts. Every good living practice that you have has an impact on these things. The clicker. And I'm going to show you now what happens in your blood with this beautiful research done by a Japanese researcher. How many of you know about him? Raise your hands up. Okay, great. What has he done? इन्होंने पानी को लिया और पानी के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया. पानी को शब्द कहे, वो शब्दों के साथ जो पानी के भीतर हुआ वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. Have a look at this. Okay, so now what has happened in this video? पानी को कहा disgusting, तो वैसे पानी के अंदर वाइब्रेशंस बनते हैं, उसके आकार बनते हैं. पानी को लव कहा, evil कहा, तो ऐसे चेंज हो रहा है. उसको जब पानी पिलाया स्ट्रक्चराइज्ड वाटर, उसका मतलब क्या? अब हमारे शरीर के अंदर 70% वाटर होता है. 70% वाटर. एवरी नेगेटिव थॉट यू हैव, आई एम हॉरिबल, आई कांट डू दिस, आई कांट डू दैट, वो आपके शरीर के भीतर वाले पानी को दूषित कर रहा है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट योर जीन्स गेट मेस्ड अप. आई ब्रिंग यू बैक ओवर हियर. जैन धर्म में हमने क्या किया है? हमने कहा कि हमने पानी को लिया. लुक एट जैन प्रैक्टिस. पानी को लिया, उस पानी को कहां से लिया पता नहीं, उसके अंदर क्या वाइब्रेशन से पता नहीं है, क्या कॉन्शियस से पता नहीं है। उसको हमने गर्म कर दिया तो वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो गया। न्यूट्रलाइज होने के बाद हमने नवकार मंत्र से उसको चार्ज किया, उस पानी को पिया। व्हाट कैन बी द इंपैक्ट? दैट्स जैनिज्म। This is amazing. This is amazing. You look at this. When you give effects on water before and after, okay, immune vibration के साथ क्या होता है? When people are sending positive thoughts together, तो हम लोग सामूहिक प्रतिक्रमण क्यों करते हैं? सामूहिक प्रतिक्रमण से ऐसे हमारे शरीर के अंदर वाटर के क्रिस्टल्स पैदा होते हैं, प्रूव करके दिखाया है। Come on, बजाइए तालियां। So now I bring you on to this multi-dimensional influence, technology to influence a gene. How do we really do this? And I'm saying meditation, fasting, forgiveness, and compassion. 5 minutes to go. This is all that I have. But let me show you the power of this. Like power. Check this out. This is my own story, so I can't give you anything better than this. This is me. Sorry, I don't have a shirt on. Please bear with me. I look pretty terrible there. I had a problem of gas, bloating. My mom has, my mom's brother has, her parents had. Everybody said, Rahul, you got it in the genes. But I said, I want to get rid of it. So this is what I did. I tried Pan-D. Doctors, Pan-D, yeah? It didn't go. Ayurveda, I tried Triphala for months together. It didn't go. Byron, homeopathy, it didn't go. Then I tried lime water and hot water, lime and hot water every day. It didn't go. Acupressure, it didn't go. Japanese cup therapy, it didn't go. Maa kasam sab try kiya hai. Panchakarma, it didn't go. Changed my diet, chana, matar, rajma, sab chhod diya. It didn't go. But hum Mahavir ke shishya hai, Shraman Dharam mein believe karte hai. So I said, one more step forward. I went to the doctor and I got a gastroscopy done. Doctor said everything is perfect. There is a small problem. This is autoimmune. अब कुछ नहीं होगा, IBS है, irritable bowel syndrome, didn't go. Years together, but हम तो छोड़ने वालों में से है नहीं, तो हमने ये ट्राई किया, और ये ट्राई करते करते ये हुआ, 8 साल हो गए, और उसके बाद यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचा. I'm 47. क्या राहुल गैस नहीं बनता है? अरे बनता है. तो क्या था? What did you understand? महावीर प्रभु का ज्ञान जो मुझके अंदर आया वो ये था कि if you want to go out in the fast, if you want to go out in the outer world really fast, if you want to go fast in the outer world, you have to learn to go slow in the inner world. And I realized that my gas formation and my mom's gas formation and his brother's gas formation is not because of genes alone. It's because of the way we think, and we think too fast, too quick, too much of stress. राहुल गैस आज भी आता है, but I now know how to get it out. पहले गैस आता था, आंखों में जाता था, लाल हो जाता था, सर पे आता था, गुस्सा आता था, यहाँ आता था, irritate होता था, पैर में जाता दुखता था, and I had no idea. I thought I am a unique person with unique diseases in my body, and the answer came from Jainism's ध्यान. By the way, जो आप करते हैं ना, relaxation वो नहीं है, ध्यान is something else. You have to understand. Relaxation is for the body. Meditation is for the soul. You have to learn to do that. Preksha ध्यान विपश्यना जरूर कोशिश करिए. Fasting, 2 minutes to go. Fasting, the world is advocating fasting. Everybody's saying fast, 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 fast. This gentleman got the Nobel Prize in 2016 and he said autophagy. Great, आज time नहीं है, नहीं बता सकता हूँ. But जैन धर्म के अंदर नवकारसी पोष्टी शात पोष्टी पुरीमठ उनोधरी वृत्त संक्षेप रस त्याग नेवी एकाशना बेहासना उपवास बेला तेला अठाई मास समन वर्षे तप के ऊपर श्रेणिक तप. You can choose what you want to choose. Jain Dharma says you need to fast. Why? Because you develop what? You develop self-control and self-discipline. Your body improves. Your body improves over here. Your body improves for what? So that you can develop the energy to work on your adhyavasai. And therefore you change your karma so that your soul goes where it needs to go. Whoa! And Jainism says, by the way, why is all this research and Jainism different? All this research is for your body. But when Jainism says research, do fasting, it says पचकान के साथ करो ताकि बीच में छोड़ोगे नहीं. Boiled water के साथ करो ताकि हर जीव को जीने की एक उनका मौका मिले. और जब कर लो और कोई पूछे सातामा देव गुरु धर्म पसाए, मैं कहता हूँ देव गुरु धर्म और माँ पसाए. Why? इसमें आपने अपने ही मान ईगो को लेके कुचल दिया. कौन सा साइंस बोल रहा है ये? उसके बाद इमोशंस, हम ये कहते हैं, महावीर प्रभु ये कहते हैं, नवकारसी चौवियार उन्होदरी एकाशना ब्यासना यथाशक्ति जैसे तुम्हारी अनुकूलता हो वैसे. अब ताली बजाओ ना. Forgiveness, coming off. We talk about forgiveness. Forgive yourself, forgive others, and forgive and seek forgiveness from others. Prayashit karo, don't repeat your mistakes, no time, moving fast. And therefore now, my last and final message. Jena Convention 2023. Maximize human potential, the Jain way. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you now to please understand that genes function the moment you make a decision. If you've enjoyed yourself at Jena Convention, Florida, I'd like you to stand up and give the loudest standing ovation for every member of the committee. Let's do it now. Do it for all of them there. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for them. The entire team over there. Keep going. Jainam Jyoti. Jainam Jyoti. Jainam Jyoti. Jainam Jyoti. Jainam Jyoti. Jainam Jyoti. Whoa! Okay, thank you. Thank you. And on behalf of the committee, and on behalf of everybody else, with the permission, this is my last message. Please sit down, ladies and gentlemen. Number one, before you leave from here, how do you work on yourself? Meditate 2 times a day. Pratikaman savere ya sham nahi kar sakte ho, to meditation karo. 48 minutes nahi kar sakte ho, 10 minute karo, 5 minute karo, 1 minute karo, magar shuru karo. Number 2, fast. Yatha Shakti. Jain khana khao, vegan khao. All the youngsters over here, look at me, I'm standing around here. Jain food guy, man, and I'm still pretty strong. Number 3, forgiveness. Forgive in the morning when you pray. Forgive in the night when you pray. And if you can't, you want to go more than that, forgiveness in every breath of yours. Last, practice compassion. Every living being in the world has the right to live. You have no right to kill them. Give them a chance to live. Let's take these 4 vows from here. Let's maximize human potential. Let's together live and let live. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rahul Kapoor.